Hey, what's up guys? Instagram user by the name of Marcel Campus recently uploaded a rather interesting shot of a still unannounced Asus handset to his profile. In all likelihood, it's the Zenfone 5 Lite that frequent leakster Even Blast described a few hours ago. The overall design and vertical central camera alignment definitely match, so it is probably the Lite variant on the display in the photo, rather than the regular Zenfone 5 as pictured in earlier renders. As per Evan's earlier info, the Zenfone 5 Lite will have the 18:9 display with full HD plus resolutions. The screen diagonal dimensions might be somewhere between 5.7 and 6.0 inches. The number of cameras is said to be total 4, dual 16 megapixel main camera and dual front facing 20 megapixels camera for the selfie and portrait camera features like beauty mode and artificial bokeh. Asus has already scheduled an event for Feb 25 at MWC 2018 in Barcelona, where the Zenfone 5 Lite will likely be unveiled alongside the regular Zenfone 5. Rumors also hints of a Zenfone 5 Max variant equipped with a massive battery. However, we are yet to see any sign of it in the wild. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.